Hey guys, today we will learn how to avoid your Windows 10 for auto updates or to check for the Windows 11. So let's head over to the registry and get to the location as I'm going to type it for you. As we can see, we are now in this location. So as we get to that location, we created that by right clicking on Windows and creating the new key. Now if you want to create the new dword value, so we click on this dword 32, and now in this value we should change it to 1. So whenever there is a Windows update, so it will not be updated. Also we can block this by another method. So in the first method we just change the dword value data from 0 to 1, and in the second method is to go to create a target release version info and write 21h1. So with this method all future updates will be blocked. However, if you want to continue to get the future updates, we simply change the value from 21h2. So with these settings all our future updates will be installed and there will be no blocking. And if you want to make it block, so we create this value from 0 to 1. So I hope you have enjoyed how to block Windows update on Windows 10 for Windows 11. Thank you for watching.